Okay, I wanted to do a quick video because the videos I find the most useful on YouTube are ones where people just give you an alternate way to do something that's frustrating you because it doesn't work. So, transfer case out of a Super Duty Ford. This is a 2014 model. You actually see I've got two cones here. One's actually out of a 2012. So this probably is at least 11 to 16. I don't know, it probably is. Most of their transfer cases are very similar, but common problem after a while is the rear seal where the drive shaft goes into the transfer case. This seal starts leaking. Ford was nice enough to put a couple indentions on each side to theoretically get a screwdriver or something there to start driving this seal out. How do I say? The videos I saw, people were trying to do it with the whole transfer case obviously in the vehicle. These are very hard to get to, especially this one on the driver's side. You can't hardly get a screwdriver to it. This one I was able to get a screwdriver to it, but as you can tell, that's all I could get to. I'd have to take the exhaust off and everything to get a better view of it. So, and I was starting to mar up this or whatever. So, fortunate for me, I had another transfer case out of my old truck, and I went over to it and popped the seal right out of this one. Now this is, I've already put the new seal in, but I popped the old seal out when it was not in the truck, and I used this, and then you just kind of drive up around here, and it does come out, and it wasn't that bad. But doing it with this cone in the truck is awful. So what I would recommend is taking just this cone off the back. It's really not difficult. There's, I believe it's 7, 3, 6, 8. There's 8 bolts, and they actually are very easy to get to with an extension and a 1/2-inch socket or impact. I impact them off really easy. Get it out, and then you can actually get the old seal out. And I realized I want to put it back in, why it's so hard to get out. I ended up buying this PVC contraption for a 2-inch kind of thing. I don't know what the heck, there might be a part number on there. You can read it. Yeah, there is. So I'm not going to put it in the description, but you can figure it out from that video. And it actually fits on there absolutely perfect. And you still have to drive the crap out of it to get that thing on there. So, and you really don't lose that much fluid out of the cone. Most of the fluid after the truck stops is sitting in the actual transfer case itself. So I think that's all I'm going to say. Comment below if you have any other questions, but in general, oh, I was going to say when you get the bolts out, it's not super hard to get unstuck, but it's got these right here, which are pry points. Just throw a pry bar underneath there and give it a little, and it'll pop loose and just slide right off. And then it's a lot easier to get the seal out and get the seal in. And then there's no gasket, so I just bought some good old, Permatex Black, kind of an all-purpose sealant that I'm going to put back on it when I put it in. And that's my video. Thanks for watching.